So to start this process off, I'm going to be doing what is called a pre-poo, which is basically using an oil or something prior to shampooing. I'm going to be using the Follicle Stimulator and Jamaican black castor oil with lavender, the Follicle Stimulator from Hair Stimulator on my roots, and then the Jamaican black castor oil on my ends just to soften up my hair. And I'm going to be massaging my hair follicles just to loosen up any dirt. I've been doing this ever since I bleached my hair, and I just felt like it's really made a difference in manageability and overall softness and health of my hair. I'm trying to prioritize length retention because sometimes I feel like I'm stuck at this same length. Like I can see the inches when I pull my hair down, but that's about it. I like to use the water as a natural detangler for this process, and the reason why I do that is to cut back on the amount of product that I use. And I just like to get rid of as many tangles as possible using water. It is possible, just give it a try. Going on with the Devacurl Decadence No Poo, I've used quite a few shampoos, and this along with a few select others is the only ones that I'm actually crazy about. And this one is basically feels like I'm co-washing my hair. It cleanses like a shampoo, but I use it as a conditioner. You can see me using it to detangle my hair, and then after my hair has been thoroughly detangled, I just kind of smooth over my hair with a brush. And you guys always ask me where I get the brush from, and it's actually from Sally's. I don't really remember the exact name of it, but yeah, just check it out. The Strength and Grow and Restore Treatment Mask from Shea Moisture. I can honestly rave about this product for forever. This is one of the very first deep conditioners that I use, and no matter how many deep conditioners I use, I always come back to this one. This one is just one of my OGs. This is dead ass like my OG favorite product. Not even gonna cap. So after the deep conditioner has been applied on my hair, I just like to pull my hair up into a loose ponytail, and then I always do this. This is basically like no longer a hair hack. This is actually my routine. I take a damp towel and I just put it in the microwave, and then I take like a plastic bag. That's a Home Goods plastic shopping bag, and then I just place the bag over my head, and that's just to trap in the natural heat that my body emits. And then on top of that, I will put on the towel. That's just to make sure that the deep conditioner will thoroughly seep through into my hair. Works like a charm every damn time. Okay, so after I rinse out the deep conditioner, I'm going to be using the curling cream from Curl Essence, and I go super ham with this stuff. It works so freaking well, and it's not greasy or anything, and it doesn't cause buildup or anything. I don't know, it's just, I've really been loving it recently. Okay, so I like to section off the front top crown portion of my head. I like to go in with the Devacurl SuperStretch cream. So many of you guys should know that I have basically almost two different textures on my head. There's a different texture on the back side and then the lower back portion of my head, and so I just like to really give special attention to those sections because those shrink up a lot. And so that's what the SuperStretch cream is for. I don't apply that to the top crown portion of my head at all. As you can see, I'm going in with my Demon brush, and this is the most critical part of the styling portion for me. I like to rake through my hair with the Demon brush. This has not been modified. It has all rows of teeth on it, and it really gives me like those nice coily clump curls that I like. Going in with the Paul Mitchell styling gel, I don't really use a lot of this stuff, like deadass. I just take like a dime size amount. A little goes a long way, and then I just scrunch it into my hair. You guys know I'm not as big on gel as I used to be. I don't know, I've really just been all out for the soft fluffy curls, and I do give up a little bit of definition, but honestly it's fine. So let my hair air dry for about an hour or two. before I diffuse, and I found that cuts back on frizz. And my hair just looks a little bit more shinier when I just let it air dry a little bit versus just jumping straight into the diffusing process. I just think it turns out better because it gives my hair time to actually soak in all the product I just used. So I just diffuse until my neck hurts, my hands hurt, I'm cramping, all that. And then I am left with these curls. I diffuse on cold air, so that's why they look super shiny. I don't diffuse with hot air anymore, but this is what my hair is looking like, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know if you're gonna try this routine out, and if so, let me know what your results are. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.